So guys, we have to talk. Some of y'all fuckers have called me a fake graffiti writer. Let me get one thing straight, bro. I'm the fucking realest graffiti writer there is. I'm everywhere, bro. Everybody knows my name. I'm all over the streets. So to prove my point, today, I'm going to bomb a train for real. Yeah, for real. No effects, no green screen. It's going to be the real thing. You're going to see me in the train fucking bombing, bro. So, remember to leave a like. It makes me almost as happy as when people say they recognize me in the streets. Which is not as often.
Is this fucking your first time or what?
No, man, I've done this every day, bro. Every day, I do this every day, bro.
Sure, dude, you're fucking skitzing like hell.
Shut the fuck up, bro.
Dude, come on. Man up.
Fuck, man.
What, man?
Forgot the caps.
Dude, you're a fucking grapher. You should know this shit.
Shut the fuck, please, bro. Please, do you have any caps, bro?
Let me fucking check you out.
I'm begging you, bro.
Okay, I got this used cap, if this fucking works for your shit.
Fuck, bro, this is a small cap, bro. I have to prove myself.
Alright.
I have to prove that I'm a real graph writer, bro, and you don't bring caps?
Whoa, dude, what are you watching?
Who did?
Who the fuck is this?
You said the hero.
See this shit? This guy is a fucking boss. 12 likes, bro. I'm giving him 13.
Ooh, damn. Yo, dude, the fucking train's here. Are you fucking prepared? Alright, boy. Dude, why are you going so far away, man?
I can't fucking do it, bro.
Do what?
I can't fucking do it.
Fuck's sake, we're already fucking committed to this shit.
I can't fucking do it, bro.
It's just a... Where are you running, man? Where are you running?
5 hours later.
Yo, dude, we're getting off soon. Fucking sprinter, man.
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up.
Could have done better, man.
Shut the fuck up.
Oh, dude, where you going? Where you going, man? Where you going? Dude.
This a one and name original. Brrr. Everybody come and follow me say. Brrr. This a one and name original. Brrr.
You fucking alright, man. Have you never done this before?
Every day, bro.
Dude, how the fuck every day? How can you be out of breath already?
I do graffiti every day, bro. I do it every day. Shut the fuck up.
Are you sure? Alright.